Hello viewers, welcome to Aparna's Super Kitchen. Kindly subscribe our channel for more interesting recipes. Today's recipe is a very special prawn dum biryani. It's a very tasty recipe, especially for biryani lovers. Now let's check out the ingredients and the preparation method in detail. Initially, take half kg of prawns, mix them with needed salt, chili powder, garam masala. Squeeze some lemon juice in them and marinate it for about half an hour. In a pressure cooker, add some oil and deep fry the marinated prawns until they turn into golden brown color. Once the prawns are fried, remove them from the oil and keep them aside, which can be used while making biryani at the end. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee, cinnamon stick, cloves and cardamoms to the same oil and saute them for a minute. Now add 4 big onions chopped, green chillies and deep fry them until they turn into golden brown color. Finally add some ginger garlic paste. After 2 to 3 minutes, add some chopped tomatoes, pudhina and coriander leaves. Meanwhile, heat a kadai, pour enough water, bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, star anise, pudhina, coriander leaves, needed salt and heat the water. Once the water gets completely heated, add 2 cups of basmati rice that is soaked already in water for about 30 minutes. After 7 minutes, the basmati rice will be 70% cooked. Now filter the rice and keep them separate. Gradually, the tomato here will be roasted well. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt and saute them again for 2 minutes. Finally, add the secret ingredient cashew paste and 1/4 cup of curd and again gradually saute for about 2 minutes. Now add the fried prawns to the masala and cook them for again about 5 minutes. Wait for another 5 minutes until the oil gets separated from the masala and even the raw smell will go from them. Finally, add the filtered basmati rice to the masala. Stir them gently such that the rice won't break. Gently mix them and sprinkle few pudhina and coriander leaves on the top of rice. Now place a heavy weight on the top of the pressure cooker to make dum for about 20 minutes. Do not use the whistle or close the cooker. Keep the stove in simmer. After 20 minutes, turn off the stove. Prawn Dum Biriyani is now ready to serve and taste. It's awesome. You also try in your home and enjoy with your family members. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly subscribe our channel.